I just want to tell you something about SCORE. First of all, realize that we do much of what was talked about, but in a different format, okay? All of us folks, the ACA MEP, we are resources, and where one situation we won't suggest what the best is. We are mentors, we are not consultants. So, and Mark is going to get more into that. So what I'd like to talk about first is SCORE was founded in 1964 because the SBA needed help with people coming into them wanting small business loans, and how do I start a business, how do I run my business plans, et cetera. SCORE was started in 1964. Today, we have over 10,000 volunteers serving in over 1,500 communities. It is an unbelievable organization, okay? Just in this chapter, and you can get a mentor from any one of those 10,000 people. I mean, just in our Greater Phoenix chapter, which includes Pinal County, Maricopa County, and Gila, we have over 100 volunteers, all right? And all the things that all of it's for free, and all we want to do is help. And that's our payment. When you say, Allan, you really helped me today, that's where I get my kicks, okay? So that's, all right, so I said we're a cooperative agreement with the SBA. SBA, through the feds, gives us part of our money. We also rely some on donations. And with that, one further point too. I just want to say that the wealth of talent just in this chapter is unbelievable. I mean, Jane won't tell you, but she was a VP for Blue Cross Blue Shield. Mark and John, it's obvious what their talents are. Myra, who's a new volunteer, is with the National Bank of Arizona, okay? But she's a VP for minority businesses. Carolyn was a commercial banker. George has been a mentor for 10 years, has worked for big companies and had his own companies, mainly franchises. Correct me if I'm wrong, George. Okay, but he's been a mentor for 10 years up in the area of the West Valley. We have people in every single phase of business. And if it's not here, it's somewhere else across the country. And we can be generalists, but at the same time, if I have a problem where I know about manufacturing, I don't know as much as this guy, but I can bring him in to help me. And as a co-mentor, there's no monetary gain or loss if I bring him in, okay? It's actually a credit to them that we bring in people that know their business. And again, we rely, for instance, on the ACA has a tremendous startup checklist that we go to their format, and we work with let's say a startup, and just talk to them about it and go over that checklist with them. You know, they have some valuable tools. So just keep that in mind.